Hey everybody, it's Neo, and we are working on an engine here, and I gotta show you guys this thing here. These are some, what are the brand? Is it Nitrile? But they are the work gloves, and if you, like I've been working on this, look how beautiful my hands are. They are so beautiful. But, you know, if you're working on the cars and stuff, you know, sometimes I use those, I used to use those like disposable plastic gloves, like the surgical gloves, but oh my gosh, look at these. I'm gonna show you guys these ones here. They are so much better here. It comes in a pack of 12. I'm size medium, my hands are medium size, but they're good for light duty work, cleaning, you know. I even use it sometimes for gardening and stuff too, but these are good. But I'll show you guys how these look like. So this is what it looks like here. So you can see it's a thicker glove. It's got some fabric, and it's got the plastic coating on it. I'm gonna put one on so you guys can see how it looks on my hand. I guess this is my left hand glove. And you see they're stretchy, so it makes it, you know, tight. And I actually put it over my watch because I want to protect my watch too. But then I can't see my watch when I'm working. But you see, look at this. It's a thin enough glove. It's not thin like a surgical glove, but it's thin enough and grippy enough. See, like that, and I can pick stuff up. I can pick up all this dirty stuff. It really doesn't matter what I'm touching because it's not gonna get my hands dirty, and it's gonna keep everything good. And they're super easy to put on, super comfortable. And when I'm working on the engine, anybody know how to fix an engine? But when I'm working on an engine or doing any stuff like that, these are just the best. Look, they got logos all over it. But this is good for me, and if you have a hand about my size, I don't know how big my hand is, you're a size medium too, but they come in different sizes, so if you have bigger ones, you can get those too. But super cool, thumbs up from me, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.